solve focus problem? Learn how to focus better and change your life. Even the slightest notification from phone is enough to distract us. Learn to use time effectively while studying, eating, reading, writing, working, etc. I guess what I will tell is helpful. You will also learn scientifically to improve focus and concentration. But you should know that having good mental health is the first step to success. About this or many things. Science thinks focus is like a muscle in our body. Muscles have two important properties. First, our muscles develop as they use the way athletes do. Second, our muscles have their limits and they get tired with use. Focus and concentration are tiring. I will explain this a little bit so that you can understand it better. For example, I started working on a book. Before I started this, I set up my table, prepared my coffee, and started building the book. As I was doing this, I remembered that I had a report to prepare. And I quit all my work and started focusing on the report. Then I got tired of the report and started the book again. I got into a loop between the book and the report. Then I felt very tired. But when I looked back, I saw that the report or the book was not finished. I realized that I wasn't even half finished. Everyone has encountered a similar situation. This situation we live in is called the cognitive switching penalty in science. If you start a job and start another without completing the first one, three things happen in the brain. 1. Deleting all focus of the previous work. 2. Trying to understand the new work. 3. Focus on new work. But these are very difficult things for the brain. Perhaps the word we hear all the time was said for this. A good beginning is half the battle. Let's give another example. Imagine you are reading a book. While you were reading, your phone got a notification and you stopped reading and looked at your phone. In this way, you give all your focus to that phone. Then you decide that something unnecessary has happened and you are back at work. And you started to focus again. Although this may be seen as an event with 10-15 seconds, it is very difficult for the brain. What can we do if we want to work 100% efficiently? 1. We need to eliminate all distractions around us. These can be the phone, junk food, or someone who can come into your room at any time. 2. We can list the things to be done before starting the day or the day before, in order of importance. But remember, it's hard to focus 100%. Now, let's examine the part where concentration can improve. When I sat at the table, I was able to focus 10, 15, 20 minutes in advance. I could find something that could constantly distract me. Actually, these are normal, because the brain doesn't want to do what is difficult. If you understand concentration and focus well, you will be able to train them very easily. Another way to improve concentration and focus is to have a healthy body. A person who did not practice sports will have a lot of problems with focus. And try to eat a balanced diet, but also try to consume enough water. You will also need to find the best sleep time for you.